Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 13, 2024 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2PM draw result ngayong December 13, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 9 PM. 3D Lotto 2PM draw result ngayong Friday, December 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 13, 2024, Friday. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, December 13, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of December 13, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.